Breathing. It's something we do without a thought, yet it's fundamental to life itself. Our cells need oxygen, a vital ingredient for energy. Breathing is how we get it. With each inhale, we draw in oxygen-rich air. With each exhale, we release carbon dioxide, a waste product of energy production. Imagine a bustling city at night. Lights illuminate countless windows, each representing a cell in our body. These cells are constantly working, consuming oxygen and producing energy. Breathing is like the city's power grid, continuously supplying the vital energy source for everything to function. But breathing is more than just fuel delivery. It's also about maintaining the balance within our bodies. Just like a delicate ecosystem, our cells thrive within a specific range of conditions. Breathing helps regulate these conditions, ensuring a stable environment for life to flourish. From the moment we are born, our first breath marks our entry into the world. And until our last breath, this rhythmic cycle sustains us, a testament to the elegance and essentiality of this simple yet profound act. Nestled within our chest, protected by the ribcage, lie the lungs, the powerhouses of respiration. Imagine two large, spongy balloons, constantly inflating and deflating with each breath we take. The lungs are not just empty sacs, though. They are intricately structured, resembling an upside-down tree. The bronchi, like the trunk of the tree, branch out into smaller and smaller bronchioles, forming the branches and twigs. At the end of each tiny bronchiole, like delicate leaves, cluster millions of tiny air sacs called alveoli. These alveoli are the true sites of gas exchange, where oxygen from the air we breathe enters our bloodstream, and carbon dioxide from our body is released to be exhaled. The sheer number of alveoli, spread over a surface area larger than a tennis court, highlights the efficiency of our lungs in capturing and transferring these vital gases. Imagine a bustling marketplace, where goods are exchanged with incredible speed and precision. This is the scene at the alveoli, the microscopic air sacs in our lungs, where the vital exchange of gases takes place. The walls of the alveoli are incredibly thin, just one cell thick. This thin barrier separates the air we breathe from our bloodstream. Oxygen molecules from the inhaled air diffuse across this barrier and into the surrounding capillaries, tiny blood vessels that surround each alveolus. At the same time, carbon dioxide, a waste product of cellular activity, travels in the opposite direction. It diffuses from the capillaries into the alveoli, ready to be expelled from the body with the next exhale. This two-way exchange, driven by the difference in concentration of gases, ensures a constant supply of oxygen to our cells and the removal of carbon dioxide. It's a delicate balance, essential for life, happening silently and continuously with each breath we take. Section 6. Age, a gradual shift. The rhythm of our breath, much like life itself, undergoes changes as we age. From the rapid breaths of a newborn to the slower, more measured breaths of an elderly person, our respiratory system adapts to the evolving needs of our body. Infants, with their high metabolic rates and small lung capacities, breathe rapidly, taking up to 40 breaths per minute. Their chest walls, more pliable than those of adults, rely more on the diaphragm for breathing, resulting in the characteristic rise and fall of their abdomen. As we grow, our lungs mature and our breathing slows down. By adulthood, we settle into a resting respiratory rate of 12 to 20 breaths per minute. Our chest walls become less pliable, and we engage our intercostal muscles more during breathing. Aging brings about a gradual decline in lung function. The elasticity of our lungs decreases, and the chest wall stiffens, making it slightly harder to breathe deeply. However, these changes are gradual and usually don't significantly impact our daily lives. Our respiratory system, while remarkably resilient, is not immune to diseases. From the common cold to more serious conditions like pneumonia and lung cancer, respiratory diseases can significantly impact our ability to breathe and our overall health. The common cold, caused by a virus, often brings with it a stuffy or runny nose, sore throat, and cough. While usually mild and self-limiting, it highlights the vulnerability of our respiratory system to infections. Pneumonia, an infection of the lungs, can be more serious, especially in young children and older adults. It causes inflammation of the air sacs in one or both lungs, which may fill with fluid, making breathing difficult and painful. Asthma, a chronic respiratory disease, affects the airways, causing them to narrow and swell. making it difficult to breathe. Triggers like allergens, exercise, or cold air can exacerbate asthma symptoms, leading to wheezing, coughing, and shortness of breath. Section 10. A breath of awareness. Breathing this simple yet profound act sustains us from our first to our last moment. Understanding how our respiratory system works, the factors that affect it, and the diseases that can compromise its function empowers us to make informed choices for our health. By being mindful of our breath, we connect with the very essence of life. We appreciate the intricate workings of our respiratory system, this silent guardian that tirelessly provides us with the oxygen we need to thrive. Let us breathe deeply, consciously, and with gratitude, for each breath is a gift, a testament to the wonder and fragility of life itself.